Hey, what's up, guys? I know it's been a while. I've been getting some comments and messages asking why I haven't been posting, but I'm back and finally recording. As you can see, I'm recording at my new house. So, a lot of stuff been going on lately. That's why I haven't been recording too much. But I'm back and I decided to make a new video. I've been getting a lot of requests on, not just requests, but also a bunch of questions on my build. Everyone's asking me where I get certain parts from or comments about certain things on my bike. And so I decided to just make a video. Pretty much everything on my bike summed up is probably from 3 websites. The majority of it's from rottweilerperformance.com, supermofels.com, and I got my mirrors from stealthmirrors.com. Also, everyone asks about the black plastics. I got those directly from Husqvarna. I just went to my local Husqvarna dealer and got them from there. So in this video, I'll be including all the links to all the parts to the websites I bought them. That way you get the links to the same exact parts I got. That way you know they're the right parts. And also for Supermofels, many of you know, I'm an affiliate. So if you can use my discount code MrMoto10, you get 10% off all your parts, and it helps support my channel. If you haven't noticed, everyone that's been supporting using my discount codes, I finally upgraded my mics. I don't know if you noticed better sound quality in this video, but finally got some DJI mics, wireless mics I'll be using for my channel. Hopefully I'll start some moto vlogging soon. Just to show you, you guys help support the channel, use my discount codes, and I'm putting it right back into the channel. So I want to thank you all again. And without further ado, I'm going to show you all the parts on my bike, and I'll have the links in the description.